today about the things that I bought this month and thought that next week I can finally go into a charity shop and do a come through with me. So this month I bought a lot of things, a lot more than I normally buy, but that's because I did a little bit of a room refresh, if you will. I painted my room walls, as you can see, and I got some new room decor and bought a few other bits and bobs. First off, living in this flat for like 11ish years, I finally decided to take the plunge and get some plants for my windowsill. For the longest time, I told myself that I don't need to get plants, or I can't get plants actually, because I live in a flat and I don't have a garden. But you know what, I was like, screw it. I want plants and I don't want fake plants, so let me just get them and put them on my windowsill. So yeah, let's get to my crazy plant collection. So first of all are these two beauties. This is an aloe vera plant, and this is also a variation of aloe apparently. I love these guys. They only need to be watered once a week, not even that, especially in colder months. Fun tip: if you're struggling to sleep at night time and wake up quite a bit, I've been told quite a few times actually that aloe vera really helps with, I don't know what it is, but it really helps the air so that you can get a good night's sleep. So if you are really struggling to sleep, I really recommend trying out getting an aloe vera plant for your bedroom. Next up is this beauty, which is my lavender plant. Oh my god, I feel like such a grandma right now, but I'm so excited. Like, can you see I'm grinning tooth to tooth, tooth to tooth? Duh. This is my lavender plant that I bought at this random home shop for like £2, and I stuck it in a old yogurt pot actually that I painted with a bedroom sample size paint swatch. You know what I mean. I used one of the paint samples basically to paint the pot. The problem with this plant is I feel like some days she's doing really well, like, you know, she's thriving, living her best life, and then the next day she looks like she's going to die because she hasn't had enough water. And I feel like I water her enough. Like, even now the soil is quite damp and I don't even water it too much, so I don't know what is wrong with this beauty. Do I need to sing to her more? Maybe, but it just smells so nice. Like, I just feel like if I sniff this before I go to bed, I am knocked out dead. Listen, okay, don't judge me, she's seen her better days, but this is my basil plant that I bought from Tesco, and I stuck this in a gold pot that I bought in IKEA. I put her in a different room today to get some more sunlight, and I feel like she's gone a little bit sad because of it, as you can tell. But I think she's thriving because every single one of these leaves are brand new, so all of this is an accomplishment by moi. And I love pesto, guys. Do you like pesto? Because I feel like that is another Marmite situation. You know, you either love it or you hate it, but I love pesto. And last but certainly not least, this, is it called a spider plant? I don't know, but I know it's an indoor plant. I don't know what is going on, but there's a random little, do you see that pea shoot at the bottom? There is a random little couple of leaves growing that is not a spider plant. This little pot, I've put some orange seeds in here. I'm trying to basically grow an orange plant, and listen, okay, I know you're not supposed to pot it straight from after eating it. I followed an official gardening website's rules on how to plant orange seeds from an orange, and I followed it properly. It said that within a week or two it should have some sort of leaves, but I'm getting nothing. So I feel like I'm gonna have to chuck this, but I'm literally gonna wait until I know it's not gonna happen, because I'm just praying and praying, because I want an orange tree. I want a bloody orange tree. Like, is that so hard to ask? Grow! So yeah, that's my plant collection. Moving on, I thought I could show you guys my little IKEA haul of some of the decor that I bought for my bedroom. I have a sage bedroom situation. My bed frame is black, my table is black, you know, my doors are white, my cupboard is a light brown. It's just a little bit all over the place. I've ordered a new table. I'm so stupid. I didn't even bother looking at when the table was going to get dispatched. I ordered it probably 2 weeks ago, let's say beginning of July, and it says to expect the arrival 20th of August. Let's get on with the decor. I bought this dark brown like basket situation, and I thought I could put all of my skincare in here and then keep this on my new table. It's just so that I have easy access, because I've moved all of the stuff I don't use every day into the living room. This color is going to be the color of my new table. Onto the ridiculous portion of the day. You don't understand my mum's face when she saw that I was going to pick this up and buy it. It's this nice basket. I don't even know what material this is, but is it a straw? I think it's straw. It looks like a freaking cobra is waiting to be like out of this. Like, I don't know, how do you say that in English? I don't know how to say it in Tamil. I thought that I could leave this on the floor in the corner of my room on the days that it's not covered in mess, and either put my dirty laundry in there or just chuck a rug over there and, you know, make it look a bit aesthetic. In my last video, you guys will have seen that I bought these metal straws. I come home, I don't have a cup right now, but I was going to make a drink to use this straw. And then I realized that cups are like this big and my straw is this big. Like, how much of an L is that on my life? I literally just saw the pack of metal straws and I was like, oh my god, metal straws, I need that. I didn't even look at how big they were. My sister laughed at me so much when I stuck the straw in the cup. It just looked ridiculous. I've bought them, I can't waste them, so I'm just gonna have to use them. A couple of days after that, I went to TK Maxx with my sister. I don't know how ethical, you know, TK Maxx exactly is. We just went to have a bit of a browse. You know, I love that they have a home section as well. I just love browsing any shops with home sections. I bought 2 tops and something in the kitchen. I bought these 2 tops knowing that I would get a lot of use out of them, especially because I'm not really sure on the ethical and sustainable stance of TK Maxx. I thought I could just show you guys that I bought 2 tops that I know that I'm not gonna just wear once, I'm gonna probably wear for years and years and years and years and years, and then once I'm even sick and tired of these tops, I can easily wear them as PJs too. The first one is this champion top. It's just a plain navy champion top. I got this in a size large. The second top that I bought is a similar thing, but it's a pink version. I think this is the only pink clothing I own. I can't find it for the life of me, so I'll just pop a picture here of this top. The last thing I bought in TK Maxx is this. It is called the Superfood Latte Maca Cacao Energizing and Mood Boosting Latte. I've never seen this in my life. The ingredients are coconut granules, coconut oil, cacao powder, maca powder, vanilla extract, anti-caking agent. That's it. I don't know where they get the latte from. I don't know if this has got caffeine naturally in it. Honestly, it's delicious. I love it, and I'm gonna see where I can get this. The last couple of things are things that I bought from Depop this month. The first thing I bought from Depop this month are these beauties. I'm honestly so happy with this purchase. These are the Nike M2K Teknos in the size 6.5. They are just gorgeous. The girl who was selling them sold them because I think she said she bought 3 sizes because she didn't know which size she was. I am conscious of the fact that these are Nike shoes. I'm happy that I bought them on Depop instead of buying them from Nike itself. These are my first ever Nike purchase in my entire life, really. I don't know if my parents ever bought me Nike trainers when I was a kid. When I was a teenager, I was very much a Converse kind of girl. The next purchase, guys, I cannot explain to you how excited I am to show you this. Now, this might not be a present because I've ordered another one, it's on the way, but look at this baby. I am so excited. It is a Praktica GP100 35mm film camera. You heard it right, people. It is an old school camera where you have to put film in it to take pictures. Now, why am I doing this in a digital age, you ask? I've read so many articles online about how the new normal is essentially to live in a fast-paced world. When technology was initially booming, when we had things like the mobile phone, the digital camera even, people were shocked by this phenomenal technology. We have become so overconsumed by these products and expect such a level of fast-pacedness, if that even is a word. We now have to take the time ourselves to slow things down if we want it to. And I really appreciate the slowing down of the process of taking a picture. I'm very guilty all the time. I just flip out my camera and click. But I think there are some instances where it's really nice to have a film camera and take the time to really choose when you want to take the picture and how you want to take it. You appreciate it a lot more. I'm just so excited to take pictures and be in the moment. It would just be nice to like print everything out and put it on my wall or something. That's pretty much all I can think of right now for the things that I got this month. I know that this isn't directly relating to sustainability and stuff, but I thought it would be cool to show you guys how I'm trying to do my part this month. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment down how you found this video and any suggestions of videos you'd like to see, as well as things you bought yourself this month. I hope you guys are continuing to stay safe but still having fun at the same time. That's it really, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.